Go, guys. We're in Alaska now, folks. This place is called Clear Creek, and you can see how it got its name. Look at how clear that is. All right. Oh, oh, oh. That's a silver, buddy. That's not a big rainbow. There we go. That is a lovely silver. Sure. There we go, buddy. Your first silver. Well, high five. That was a heck of a fight, Nate. Another beautiful dime bright silver. Alaskan salmon is one of those fish that's hard to screw up. Hands down my favorite recipe. A slab of fresh grilled salmon and corn on the cob, man.